Khula sithando sami, namhlanje konamhlanje. Yes, it is today. Nasi ndinasi ngokubana kuzalwa intombi enhle Sinqanda Mathe sami obalulekileyo empilweni yami ngokubana yena oligugu lami, ngokubana yena uyikusasa lami, my precious, my love, my everything. I shall keep on saying Sibongile Ncube ngokubana ngizohlala ngibonga ngithi namhlanje kunamhlanje. Yes, oh yes, it is today. Ndivumileni ndilebeleke kene ndingamba nendimidzose. Yes, it is your day. Oh yes, you are born. Happy birthday, my love. Let the sun shine upon you. Allow birds to sing glory, hallelujah to you. Ngokubana kuzelwe ingilosi kaThixo intombi enhle umathando wami, ngithi namhlanje kunamhla nasi ndinasi. Yes, it is today as we celebrate this day with you because you are born. Khula Sibongile, Khula Mancube ngokubana lolu suku luza kanye ngomnyaka, alukho lusuku oluzofana namhlanje. Ithi namhlanje siyakuhalalisela, siyakubongela ngokubana konke okuza kuwe kuyizibongo. Ngithi khona zincane izibongo engizokubonga ngazo ngokubana wena waphakanyiswa kwathiwa Sibongile Ncube, sithi khula uzukhokobe halakasha. Malube luhle usuku oluhle, malube luhle usuku lwakho, sithi okuhle makukulandele, sithi halakacha. Koti ndipenge, koti ndibumbuluke, nditiwa nehana. I am halakacha, Shakespeare that lasts forever. Halakacha.